Hey explorers, welcome to the Terranaut. Get ready to witness history unfold as we dive into the spectacular Guinness World Record 4th of July drone show. With over 1,000 dazzling drones, prepare for a mesmerizing symphony of light and innovation that will leave you in awe. Sky Elements drone shows broke the previous record on July 3rd, 2023, for the largest aerial sentence formed by multi-rotor drones, in order to spell out Happy 4th of July 2023 at the North Richland Hills, Texas Family 4th on the third event. The company used over 1,000 drones, with 673 drones. The previous record was established in 2020. Additionally, the drone display was the biggest ever flown in Texas. The American flag, the Statue of Liberty, and the Liberty Bell were just a few of the patriotic images that were displayed during the 10-minute video. The drones were also timed to music, giving the audience a really immersive experience. The drone show was a smashing success and was praised for being an eco-friendly substitute for conventional fireworks, due to the fact that they provide a fresh approach to observing holidays and other important occasions. Drone shows are also gaining popularity. As the skies fade on this unforgettable journey, we're honored to have shared the record-breaking brilliance of the 4th of July drone show with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep soaring with the Terranaut. Until our next adventure, stay illuminated.